guys, Mike here. Today I got a stock that I have been building my position in, and this is a long-term play stock for me. I do not plan on selling this stock until it hits at least my target or it just doubles. So this stock is a long-term position that I am going to be telling you guys. Of course, this stock is none other than Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR. Now, as you guys know, because of the pandemic, the gaming industry has been booming like crazy, and it has been just platformed on the map of the industry, and it is just building intensity and just keep on increasing. And gaming is, of course, not going to go anywhere anytime soon. Kids will always want to play games. Kids will always want to advance and have the newest and latest gadgets. We are going to go over today why I think Corsair is a double or triple stock that you should be owning for the next year. This stock will double, triple over the next year, in my opinion, and I am extremely bullish on this company. I am definitely a very long-term investor. I have been building my position really heavy in this. I have never been as heavy as I have in any stock. This is one of my heaviest positions, and I am extremely bullish and long-term on this stock company. And we are going to go over financials, we are going to go over charts, technical analysis, where are good buy targets, and where is my sell target that I will be selling during this long-term hold. So with that said, guys, let's waste no further time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. We have been destroying this market the past 2 weeks with every single one of my calls have just been a 10 to like 30% return. So this is crazy. I would love for you guys to join my Patreon group, make some crazy bangers, join our trades, because we have done insane. Like every single stock that I've called this week has returned at least 10 to 30%. And that has been fantastic, and I want you guys to be part of that. So with that said, guys, check out my Patreon page and let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR. And as you guys can see, this chart is just playing out beautifully, all right? Every time this stock has dipped below 32, it is an absolute buy. It is a must buy to build your position, all right? You must buy anything below $32, all right? Because it is just load up zone. Below $32 is massive load up zone, and you need to keep buying. Look at that. The past 3 months, below 32 has been maximum load up zone. And if you're going to be trading this short term, every time it goes around 35, it's just been a sell, right? Every time it hits around 35 bucks, people just sell, and that's what's been going on. If you're going to be trading it, buy below 32, sell above 35. But for me, this is not a short-term position. I am not going to be selling below 35. I actually sell puts on the $30 option so I can add up more shares. So far, I'm just collecting free money selling puts because it's not going below $30. So I'm having a blast collecting free money selling puts. If you guys want to learn how to do that, I have a video on that. Check that out. It's called the options. You can check that in there. But right now I am just selling puts, and I'm accumulating as much shares as I can every time it goes below 32. This is one of my biggest positions I have ever held in my entire life. So I'm very serious about this company, and I am not selling a single share. I do sell call options, the $35 call option. I do sell that. I also buy the $30 put option. I sell the put option. I don't buy call puts. I don't buy puts. I sell puts so I can get shares a lot cheaper. If they do dip below $30, I'm a 100% buyer. So I am just going to be buying and accumulating shares. Now, where do I think this company is headed? I think this company is easily going to be headed around 60 bucks, right? This chart doesn't have 60, or I'll show you 60, but I definitely see this company hitting 60 very soon. It is just accumulating like crazy, right? If you saw my Beyond Meat trade, I told you guys when Beyond Meat accumulates like crazy, you have to get in. Look at that. Accumulated like crazy here.
It had a massive sell-off, but then boom, it just blasted off. All right, this chart doesn't go back enough to where I was telling people accumulate, but here are a few of the instances where it was. Right, it was accumulating like crazy around 120. And I was just loading up. And then, boom, it hit 190. I got out around 160 at this time. And then went right back down. It started going really down. I started accumulating again around 120s, 116. It hit like 114, but I got a lot at 116. And boom, 220. I was lucky and I sold at 219 here. All right. And then I've been telling you guys to load up on this stock like crazy, and we loaded up around $104 and $106, and look at where it is today. It's already at around $148 in after hours trading. It is just crazy. This company is just exploding like nonstop. I am selling right now. I would not advise you to buy right here. This is a sell zone. You need to be selling at 70 plus RSI. You must be crazy not selling at this point. All right. This market can turn on you and go against you at any given moment in time. So do take profits if you are in this trade with me. Now back to Corsair Gaming, and I think Corsair is the future right now, right? I think $60 is definitely doable. If you go to tipranks, they think the stock is worth at least $50. That's a 54% return on your money right now. That is a massive return. And of course, we move on to Google Finance. Google Finance will tell you guys how insanely profitable this company has been, right? Look at that. Quarter 2020, they've just been phenomenal. Look at these massive numbers. Look at it. It's just been constantly going up. It is crazy, right? They did have some net change on Q4, but it's fine. Look at this. They destroyed earnings in Q1 2021. They absolutely annihilated it, right? We're going to go over a brief article where they said Wall Street was only expecting some low numbers, right? They expected $1.55, 1.9 billion, but nah. The stock said, forget that. They destroyed it. They even overbeat it. They overestimated it. And also, Corsair has raised its guidance. They said we are going to even make way more money the next quarter. So I am extremely bullish on this company, and you guys have to see this, right? If you go check out FinViz, they'll tell you what the share float is. And right now, it is so crazy easy to move this stock. Some guy puts in $1 million. He can easily move this company, right? Share float is only around 91.95 million. That's outstanding, right? Look at that. No insider is selling. That's how crazy this company is. Not a single insider is selling a single share, right? They sold in January, and that was it. They just stopped selling, right? And now all of them, don't look at these option sales exercise. What they're doing right here is they are exercising their option in order to pay taxes. This is beneficial for the company, and when their CFOs and CEOs and their members use their options, they exercise their option. It is a taxable event, and this causes a tax break for the company. A lot of Alex Karp from Palantir has been doing that massively, and this helps out the company save on taxes. And look at this. No insider is selling. That is how crazy it is. Instead, they were actually buying at 17, some of them. This director guy was a genius, buying at 17. And then after January, not a single insider has been selling, only exercising options and then selling it for the tax to pay for taxes. That's it. All right. This company is going to make massive moves. All-time highs were about $51-ish. So I think this company is a doubler, tripler, even possible. I think 60 is definitely possible. It's just look how massively it's been accumulating the past 3 months. Since March until now, it has not been able to move below 30 and above 35. You think this is going to last? You are joking to yourself. This is going to explode at any given moment. I think the stock will just take off like a freaking missile. All right, do not miss on this trade. Right, you see this missile rocket? That's what's going to happen very soon, and this stock will just take off, and you guys need to be part of this. I am telling you, this is a massive opportunity opportunity. You need to buy this company with me. You need to accumulate as many shares as possible as you want with me. This is the greatest scam of history by not buying Corsair. Buy Corsair. I'm telling you, this is the best company. You need to put your money and just hold. All right, this is a long-term play and it is going to pay off extremely well. I cannot stress this enough. I am just extremely bullish on this company, and I think there's a lot of massive opportunity left for Corsair. And I think we are going to see the 50s very, very soon. If you check out the chart itself, look at that, right? It is just accumulating like crazy, right? MACD actually just crossed over, so did TSI, so it's extremely already bullish right here on the crossover, right? So it's already telling you there's an upward trend coming very, very soon, and RSI has just been below 50 pretty much most of the times, just around 30 to like 45, 50 RSI the whole time. All right, this is a massive opportunity scale, and I really think you guys need to build up your position with me and get in. And if you don't want to hold for 60, at least get in and sell over 45 to 50. That is a massive opportunity, and I think you guys will be very beneficial if you do trade this company with me.
Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I've been posting some buys and crazy sells on this one, so you guys should definitely check me out and come and leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to do a video on, or if you have a question on a specific stock, leave a comment below. Check out my Patreon page. That's where I do most of the posting and buying and selling and giving targets, and we have done fantastically well, and I want you guys to join us. Anyways, guys, do not miss out on the opportunity right now where you can get 4 free stocks with WeBull right now, and all you have to do is sign up to use their platform. You get 2 free stocks right there, and then you get another 2 free stocks when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 2 of those stocks, will be valued from $8 all the way up to $1,850. Also, guys, check out FirstTrade. They give out pretty good stocks. And finally, we have Robinhood, which also gives out pretty decent stocks here and there. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.